The City Mission in Europe is a remarkable initiative because it combines some elements that are rarely seen. It's in fact at the moment the boldest urban transformation program in the world. It is, first things first, boldness is key. It has a deadline of 2030 for 112 cities, which represent 12% of Europe's population, and that touches the lives of 61.5 million citizens. And that deadline of 2030 is actually Paris-aligned, so it is one of the few initiatives that is really asking or represents an opt-in commitment by cities to transform at the whole urban scale in time to allow for the kinds of transitions, emissions reductions and resiliency developments that we need to stay anywhere way close to 1.5 or below 2 degrees of warming. So it's very unusual in the extent to which it raises the bar or sets an ambition where it needs to be and sets in motion conditions for cities to learn, to create test beds for accelerated experimentation and learning, but also it sets in motion the conditions for cities to start to shape up and name the kind of demand for green transition business models, infrastructure, logistics, materials that industry is waiting for. So the other thing that's so extraordinary about it is that it is a very, very structured program. It's got this clear deadline. It asks cities to come up with action plans where they have to pull up their emissions baselines, explain what they need and what they need to reduce. It asks for investment plans, and often the return on investment is pretty good. We're talking kind of 25, 30, 32%. And it's asking for an explicit commitment to multi-level governance. So a whole bunch of things that if you are in business or in the business of investing are exactly what you need. Aggregate demand, clear time signals, clear directional signals, some stability of commitments, and the data on actually what is needed where, by when, at what kind of volume. That finally unlocks markets. So really the city's mission is a combination of capturing hearts and minds and imagination around the vision of a beautiful, just, prosperous future in which it's actually beneficial for everyone, for business and for life, to live green. But it's also an opportunity for us to really unlock growth and productivity in Europe, to unlock prosperity in Europe in a sustainable way.